I mixed candle with cinnamon powder and was surprised with the result. If you like these simple tips as much as I do, watch this video until the end. You will love to know what today's tip is for. So comment here for me the city where you are watching this video. I want to interact with you and send you a very special hug. In a pan we are going to add 4 candles. The candles can be any size you want. I'm using medium. We are going to melt them over low heat. Now I am going to use a fork to remove the wicks from the candles. You will remove all the excess candle that is left on the wick. It is super easy, folks. With a little patience you can do it very quickly. Next I added 1 to 2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. We add it along with a melted candle in the pan. Stir very well. Cinnamon powder is a great natural flavoring. If you want, you can add cloves as well. After this, you will center the wick in a small container. Here I am going to put it in a metal tray. I rolled the wick tightly so that it would be supported. You can use glass jars as well. Next we are going to add our melted candle in the mold. Cinnamon is a great natural repellent and smells great. The first candle is pretty much ready. Now we will add 4 candles into a pan and melt it over low heat again. For now, you will do exactly the same process. Let's remove the wicks from the pan. And to add some charm to your environment, we will color our candles. I chose a blue dye, but you can choose any color you like. Just mix everything very well and your candle will have a different color. So this candle will help you stay away from them. Center the wick again in the container you have chosen and add the melted candle. After that, just let it rest for 2 hours. After this time you can see the result. If you want, you can cut some of the wick. You choose the size. Now just light it. Just like that, you have scented candles. What did you think of today's tip? Tell me when you will reproduce it. Have you already done something similar? And today's message is in Hosea chapter 10, verse 12. For it is time to seek the Lord, until he comes, and rains righteousness upon you. When Jesus comes to take us to the eternal home, he will not want to find us attached to material possessions, hectic careers, or any other kind of harmful distractions. All he wants is for us to be eagerly waiting for him, receiving his love, and accepting his plan of salvation. We have our plans for the future, but we must never forget to seek God at all times. God is the Lord of time and of all created things in the universe. There is always time to seek God sincerely and from the heart. A kiss and see you in the next video. Bye.